to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. It's just live. So as you can tell on the title, we're going to install some indoor LED lights on my brother's car. So these are the LED lights. They're the Type S LED lights interior. They're really good. I have them in my car. He's just been wanting some to have in his car. You're also going to need some Velcro. Velcro, you'll see in a minute why we're using it. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, Isaac. So tell us about your car.
It's a wannabe type car. It's 2019 Honda hatchback Civic. And I love this car so much. This is my baby.
As you guys can see, guys, all these white marks right here is due to the snow. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and inside the car and begin this install.
Oh, huh? Never mind. You're gonna edit this, right? What? I was gonna say you look ugly, boy. Screw you. Alright guys, so this is the strips, the pen, what is it, the motherboard? The control board, you can say. It does come with a plug-in cigarette lighter, which we're gonna use for this build right now. And it also comes with this. This is actually if you want to connect it directly to the car instead of the cigarette lighter. But like I said, for right now, we're going to go ahead and use the cigarette lighter. So these things go inside this, and they also go connected to the strips. Kit does come with some Velcro that gets sticked to this thing. In my car, I believe I have it under the dash, and that's where I'm gonna put this one also. So this is where I placed it. So now we're going to work from the back to the front and plugging them inside here. So we're legit gonna get the wires and start from the back to the front and conceal them. Alright, I'll be back and show you how I have them. So I have this one coming through right here. It's gonna stay right here, connected to right there. The other one's have them connected from in there, running around the armrest, and then underneath the seat. Same way for this side and for that side, and poke a hole in there to get to the other side for concealment. So you will need to have to download the app from the Apple Store or from the Play Store, depending on the phone you have. Without this, you won't be able to use the functions right that provides with the LED strips. Alright guys, so this is how they look. Alright Isaac, put some music.
Baby, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ve. Ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Y dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros, ¿quién va a hablar si no nos dejamos ver?
Y a veces es dolce, a veces es vulgar. Y cuando te lo quito después de los paris, las copas de vino, las libras de mari. Tú estás bien suelta, yo de safari. Tú me ves el culo fenomenal, pa' yo devorarte como animal. Si no te has venido yo te voy a esperar. En mi cama y lo voy a celebrar.
Baby, a ti no me pongo, y siempre te lo pongo. Y si tú me tiras, vamos a nadar en lo hondo.
Si por mí te lo pongo, de septiembre hasta agosto. A mis rincones, lo que digan tus amigas, ya yo me enteré. Se nota cuando me ves, ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros, ¿quién va a hablar si no nos dejamos ver?
Mami, me tienes buqueado, sí. Si fuera la Uru, me tuviese parqueado, dando.
Welcome to Illinois, boys.
So that's it for the video. So Isaac, tell me, what do you think about your new car look? Well, my new car look looks pretty dope. I mean, I'm gonna be playing it out loud, so if y'all see me out on the streets, y'all gonna be knowing who did it for me. Alright, so that's it for the video. Go ahead and leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time. Peace.